Hi, in the previous video we're talking about operator associativity. In this video we'll be talking about non-associative operators. Some operators that are on the same level of precedence are non-associative. The assignment and comparison operators belong in this group. Let's have a look at the assignment operators first. The basic assignment operator works in such a way that the last value is assigned to all the variables on the way. For example, A equals 5, B equals 3, C equals 4. Now A equals B equals C. Now, the last one here is C. So this value is assigned to all the variables on the way, which means A is now equal to 4, B is also equal to 4, and of course C is equal to 4. Now if we try to do something similar with an augmented assignment operator, we'll get an error. Have a look. A, B, C equals 5, 3, 4. Now A equals B plus equals C. Well, this doesn't work. And now let's have a look at the comparison operators. We can chain comparison operators like in math. So we can write something like this. 2 is less than 4 is less than 7. And this is true. Instead, we could write its equivalent, which would be 2 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 7. These two are equivalent, so this is just shorter. Now it works the same for the greater than operator. For example, 8 is greater than 6 is greater than 3. This is true. Now this could be rewritten as 8 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 3. Now we can combine the operators in quite interesting ways, unlike in math. They're just a shorthand for the full form of the logical AND operator. So, for example, instead of writing 6 is less than 8 and 8 is equal to 8, which is true, we could write 6 is less than 8 equal to 8. This is just a shorthand. Of course, do not use something like this in math. And now here's a more complex example. This could be rewritten as 3 equals 3 and 3 is less than 6 and 6 is less than 8 and 8 is equal to 8 and 8 is less than 10. This is true. But we can also use other combinations which are totally not considered correct in math. Have a look. 2 is less than 4 is greater than 3. This is true because this is the shorthand for 2 is less than 4 and 4 is greater than 3. Or, for example, 2 is greater than 1 is less than 5. It doesn't work in math, it works in Python. This is the shorthand for 2 is greater than 1 and 1 is less than 5. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.